Hello, I am Gusel, and I will be your discussant for today. So in this video presentation, I will be showing you how to solve an oblique triangle. But before that, let us go back to the definition of an oblique triangle. So what is an oblique triangle? According to definition, an oblique triangle is a triangle that does not contain any right angle. Therefore, it could be an acute triangle or an obtuse triangle. So to solve problems involving an oblique triangle, we use the law of sines, where A over sine A is equal to B over sine B is equal to C over sine C, and the law of cosines, where A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC times cosine A, B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC times cosine B, and C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB times cosine C. So let us have an example. There is a tree out in front of the yard. It is tilted slightly at 70 degrees. Our house is 66 and 1/2 feet away from the tree. The angle from the house to the top of the tree is 40 degrees. My family is worried that if we have a big storm, the tree will fall and hit the house. Will the tree hit the house? So let us have an illustration. Presumably, the tree is tilted towards the house, so it would fall in that direction. So let's assume the picture that the angle to the top of the tree was measured from the ground. To solve this, we use the law of sines. And by derivation of the formula, we get C is equal to B times sine C over sine B. Then going back to the illustration, we have 70 degree and 40 degree. So we will let B equal to 66.5. C, or angle C, is 40 degree and angle B is equal to 70 degree. So by substitution, we get C is equal to 66.5 times sine 40 divided by sine 70. So using our calculator, our final answer is 45.5 feet, which is 21 feet away from the house. So given that, therefore, the tree will not hit the house. So let's move now to the next problem. So from the point on level ground between two poles of the same height, cables are stretched to the top of each poles. One cable is 52.56 meters long and the other is 67.5 meters long, and the angle of intersection between the poles is 125 degrees. So find the distance between the poles. Let us show an illustration first. So in the illustration, we have A, which is equal to 52.6 meters, and B is equal to 67.5 meters. The angle between A and B is 125 degrees. So to solve this, we will use the law of cosines. So going back to the illustration, we have A, which is 52.6, B, which is 67.5, and angle C, which is 125 degrees. So by substitution, we get C squared is equal to 52.6 squared plus 67.5 squared minus 2 times 56 and so on and so forth. So therefore, using our calculator, we get C, which is equal to 106.75. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening. If you have question, let's talk about it.